Alright guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove background from your videos in CapCut PC. Only works, like the AutoCut only works if there's like a person like as the subject. So I'll just be using this video here. Add it to the timeline. It is super simple to use. Just go to cutout and select auto cutout, and it's just going to remove the background for you. Voila, that is it. Super simple. There's not much to it. You can add in some like strokes around it as well if you'd like to. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.